You can make hundreds of dollars taking surveys straight from your phone. Gotcha. Just kidding. Most survey companies aren't going to pay you more than a few pennies to take surveys. And with survey apps, it's even less. But there are survey apps that are worth it. Personally, I have tried nearly every single survey app or service out there. Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie, Make Money, User Feel, you name it, I've probably tried it. None of them really pay you much and are not worth your time. I even have a video, link in the description below, where I took surveys for 8 hours straight to find out if you can make money from them. And for 8 hours straight, I took surveys. And I made a total of $22.79. So if you're doing the math, that's like nothing. Definitely better to work at McDonald's. Out of all the apps and all the websites I've tried for taking surveys, there is one that I think is worth your time. And that app is 1Q. And you can check out the link in the description if you want to use my referral code to download it yourself. But let me explain why I think that this app is worth your time, and it's the only survey app out there that you should ever download. Because honestly, the rest are a complete waste of time. Alright, so let me explain a little bit about what 1Q is, just the basics, right? And then I'll tell you about how much I've made off of how much time I've put into taking the surveys. So survey apps are exactly what they seem. You basically get paid to take surveys. And with 1Q, you get paid 25 cents to $1.50 per question or per survey. I remember one time I got a question about like trail mix. It took me less than a minute. It took me seconds to answer this question. I got paid 25 cents. So granted, it's not life-changing money, but if you're looking to earn a little bit of extra money, it's definitely worth it, and they pay you instantly into your PayPal account. So you get the money right away. You don't have to wait. So you don't have to hit a certain withdrawal requirement to take the money out of the app and put it in your bank account. They pay your PayPal right away. Now I will say that the bummer about this app is that you can't answer unlimited questions. You're probably gonna get 1 to 2 questions a week maybe. That's kind of how it's been going for me. But it doesn't take a lot of time, and it could be really worth it. But overall, it's not really a huge time commitment, and you're getting paid pretty decent money to just answer random questions for advertisers. So let me tell you how much I've made from 1Q. I've made a total of $5.50. So again, not crazy, not life-changing money or anything like that, nothing to quit my job over. But that's a free $5 cravings box at Taco Bell. And I only spent a total of 17 minutes on this app according to my screen time. And roughly 5 minutes, a little bit more, but roughly 5 minutes of that 17 minutes was used to sign up for the app. So I won't have to do that again. Now, if you take the 5 minutes out for signing up, that's 12 minutes total for $5.50. So if you're doing the math on that, that's close or over $30 an hour. Just answering survey questions. I can guarantee you that if you want to make extra money with this side hustle, or you want to make extra money taking surveys, this is the best app to do it. Because apps like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, they pay you nothing. To complete an entire survey, they'll pay you less than 25 cents. And for 1Q, they'll pay you 25 cents for one question. They pay you significantly more than any other survey app or website that I've used. And I've used quite a few. And I've used quite a few to try to find the best one. So overall, again, not life-changing money, but definitely worth your time if you got a few extra minutes per week. And if you're gonna try out a survey app or a survey website, this is the one to do. And again, if you want to try all this out, link in the description below. Use my referral code. I'm pretty sure if you use my code, we both get 25 cents. I'm not 100% sure, but either way, just sign up and try it out and make some easy, quick money. To go out and buy yourself some random Amazon items or $5 cravings box at Taco Bell. And as a disclaimer, I am not sponsored by Taco Bell or Amazon. Maybe one day. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it more than you could possibly know. Please subscribe, smash the like button. That helps me out so much. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.